All right, so I just put together the metal bed frame from HLIPHA. I was looking through all the frequently asked questions, and I'm gonna answer a couple of them for you. I saw what is the assembly time for this bed frame, what is the distance between the slats, and then what is the storage space for underneath the bed frame. So I'm gonna answer all those for you and hopefully help you out with your purchase. So for the assembly time, it took me about 30 minutes to put it together, 30 to 45 minutes. If you have two people, I did it by myself. If you have two people, I bet you can get it done in under 45 minutes for sure. The second question was, what is the distance between the slats? I went and measured them for you, and there's about 6 inches in between the slats, and the slats go all the way back. So you got about 6 inches of space in between those. And then for the final question, what is the distance underneath the bed frame? I measured that as well, and that sits at 14 inches from the floor to the slats. So you got about 14 inches of space, and obviously you can store stuff all the way through this bed frame. So overall, I think it's pretty straightforward. It's a good bed frame. It was easy to put together. And another perk of it, they actually send you some double-sided foam that you can put on the middle support beam. So I don't know if you have platform beds in the past where the metal's kind of always hitting together and making a noise. You can put this foam on there, and that's gonna take all that noise away, so stay quiet as you move around and get on and off the bed. So overall, really great product.